Before I head inside, I'm going to show you the progress that we have so far. So this is the entrance, and look at the coral vine. Get a good mental image of how tall it is, because trust me, in a week or two it's going to be significantly bigger. And also look at all these pumpkins. This is the first trellis. Oh, it's so pretty. I can't wait to see this area filled out right here. And I actually found a few Kajari melon vines over here, so those should be filling it out in the next week or two. This is what the eggplant looks like. And look, I still have the space in between, so that if there's any pumpkin or anything else right there, I can actually get to it. Here's this trellis now. Still a little bit wild, but looking so much better. And this is the last little portion that needs to fill out. And behind it, I actually have cucumbers. Ooh! Those are like the regular type of cucumbers. And I'm so happy that I got something out of it. This is the next trellis. I think this one is the most bare just because it's barely starting to fill out. Over on this side, I have a lot of beans. And beans on a trellis look really, really beautiful. Their leaves are a lot softer, a lot more delicate, and super, super whimsical. And once you have beans dangling everywhere, it looks stunning. And same thing over here. I have a bunch of beans starting to climb up. Oh, wait, I was wrong. I said that was the most bare trellis, but this one is. This literally looks like there's absolutely nothing climbing up. But there is. I have beans over here. And then there's a watermelon over here starting to make its way up. Oh, that's really cute. I didn't even know that was there. Oh, sweet. And then over here, I have some more beans. You could just barely tell though, because they're kind of hidden. Oh, see? And some of them are also getting knocked out of the way. And then this is one of the roselle plants, which is definitely going to take over the entire bed. And then I need to tie a bunch of the roses over so that they start filling out this trellis, because you can see them right here going straight up. And then look at those grapevines. They're already touching my shade cloth again. So I need to cut them back before they start sewing themselves into the cloth. The ones over here don't tend to go as crazy as the Thompson's green grapevines, and I think I like that better actually. So now it's time to set up the traps. But first, let me go put my gloves on and let me bring this inside. In this little Maruchan container, I have some cat food and some peanut butter that I'm gonna mix together. The reason I'm doing cat food is because I forgot to buy beef jerky. And I kept telling myself to, don't forget the beef jerky, don't forget the beef jerky. And what did I forget? The beef jerky. So these are the traps. I'm gonna use gloves because rats are super smart and they can smell you on the traps. So I need to use gloves so that I don't leave the scent of my hands on it. And this is what they look like. So I'm gonna set up all of them. Every single last one. Damn. So the way it works here in this garden is I set them up, and then if they catch anything, my husband's the one that disposes of it because I can't do it. It freaks me out too much. Even just coming to check on them every morning whenever I do have them set up, it makes me so paranoid. Let me hurry up because the sun really is starting to go down fast. Okay, I'm gonna pull this back like this, and then I hold on to it with one hand, because if I don't, that happens. And okay, they sell two sizes of these. They have the one for mice, and this is the one for rats. This is the bigger one. I buy this one for both because I feel like the other one just isn't big enough. Jeez, I already ripped up my glove. Okay, but it's because I forgot to mix this. I'm mixing it so that the cat food gets really stuck on there, and hopefully that'll encourage them to keep biting on it. In the past, what I've done is put peanut butter and then kind of just put the little cat food right on top. But they're so smart, they figure out how to get the cat food off, and sometimes they'll leave the peanut butter. And other times they figure out how to set the trap off without even setting foot in it. But truthfully, it still works really good. Oh my god, without the earmuffs, I feel like I get way more scared because I can hear everything. So I'm just gonna form little balls like this. I'm gonna move this back. And then I'm gonna put this right in here. Like really smush it on there. Like that. And then I put the trap where it needs to go. Like this. Did you hear rustling? Oh hell no. Okay, let's hurry up. I heard rustling. Hopefully it's just a bird. Okay. Hold on, let me make my little balls of peanut butter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 2. And then I have one more trap in the garden that works really good. The only downside to these that I don't like is once they get rested, they are not very sensitive at all, so they won't even be set off anymore. Is that a bird? It is a bird. It is a bird. Okay, let me hurry up. Oh my god, look at this glove. Shoot. No. Hold on. Let me go put on another one. Otherwise, they're gonna know. Hold on. I'm back and I'm running out of time, so let's hurry up. Ew. Like this. Let's really press it in there. Cannot tell me that's not going to catch something. Oh. I think I tore through another glove. Oh, okay. I tore another glove. Oh, and I just tore this one. Okay, you know what? I also did not get to clean up all of the vines that I trimmed. So that's not gonna be fun for tomorrow. I just ran out of time. Plus, the trash is full, so I can't even fit them in the trash even if I wanted to. Okay, I have all of them loaded. I'm gonna go grab the last one from the garden. Here's the last one. The only thing is that this one's kind of rusted because it's been there for a while, so hopefully it still works. Oh my god. Bro, what the hell? Oh my god. I almost peed myself. Okay. That seems good enough. Okay, I'm starting to stress out. I'm starting to sweat more and more. Let's go set them up carefully. The first one's gonna go right here, right where I see that plant tag. Next one is gonna go right here, next to the watermelon. And I'm going to carefully remove this one. Look at that. Next one, because it was starting to build a nest right here, I think I'm gonna put it right here. And this one I'm gonna put into the garden. I like to place these up against the walls. Okay. Stupid bird scared me. Maybe right here. I set it back up. I'm starting to stress out more and more. Okay, let's do it. We got this. If it's around this area, I think this might work too. This is the last one. I'm gonna put this one right where I saw it crawling to me the last time. What was out here? Is there something there? Okay. This is where the rat crawled up to me. So I think I'm gonna put this one right here. All the rats are set up. Now I'm gonna go inside